I'm Anil Kumar, and here's a practice question for you to solve an equation. In this equation, we have fractions. So the strategy here is first to find the lowest common denominator, right? So first step is to find lowest common denominator. So multiply both sides by lowest common denominator, right? So multiply by lowest common denominator, that is your strategy. Once you do that, you get a linear equation, right? Then you solve linear equation using inverse operation, right? Solve using inverse operation, right? So that is the strategy which we are going to follow in solving these equations, okay? So this one is 1 over 4x minus 3 over 2 equals to 1. Now what is the lowest common denominator, right? In this case, the lowest common denominator is equals to 4, right? So we'll multiply by 4 all these terms. We'll multiply first by 4 the term which is 1 over 4x, right? Then also 3 by 2 and also 1. So we are using differenting just to show you very clearly the operation. That dot here means multiplication, correct? Now 4 divided by 4 is 1. 1 times x is number x, variable x, right? Now here 4 divided by 2 is 2, and 2 times 3 is the number 6, equals to 4 times 1, which is 4. You get the idea. So that is the linear equation which we have. Now how to solve such a linear equation? To solve linear equation, we'll do inverse operation. Inverse of minus 6 is plus 6, so we should add 6 on both the sides, right? So we'll add 6 on both the sides. So if you add 6 on both the sides, you are left with x on the left side and 6 plus 4, 10. X equals to 10 becomes your solution, right? So you can write down your solution as x equals to 10. Perfect. Let's do this one, right? And practice the strategy. First step, lowest common denominator. So lowest common denominator for us is 5 times 2 is 10. So we'll multiply each term by 10. So we can write this as 10 times x over 5, right? Minus 10 times, I'm not using the symbol cross because you get confused with x, right? So we'll avoid that. We can use brackets or decimals. So we have 1 over 5 times 10. Okay, so we have multiplied by 10 for each and every term on both the sides. 10 divided by 5 is 2, so we are left with 2x minus 5 divided by 2 is minus 5, and 10 divided by 5 is 2. So that becomes the linear equation. Do you see that? Now to solve this linear equation, we will do reverse operation, right? So we'll do reverse operation. We have 2x minus 5. Reverse operation is add 5 on both the sides, since we want to remove minus 5, correct? So we are left with 2x equals to 5 plus 2 is 7. Now to find x, what should we do? We are left with 2x equals to 7. We should divide by 2 on both the sides, correct? So that gives us x equals to 7 over 2 or 3.5, right? So x equals to 3.5 is the solution for the given equation. Now as an added exercise, what you should do is you should check both solutions, right? Check solutions. Checking solutions means substitute the value of x here and see if left side is equals to right side or not, right? So do it for both the questions. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.